All right, good morning from Indonesia, everybody. Oh, it's been one heck of a trip. Took a few hours, but we're here and they are actually building a motor. Yes, Ron and Gary have been here working away, putting a Berg kit together. Look at this, other side of the world. Already see a really cool Frida-Lin. Anyway, we just got here. Let's go see what's going on. Oh, I hear the famous voice. Look at this. Here they are. This is where all the action's going on. Here's Roy and Marga from Netherlands. Hey guys.
Oh, look, hey.
What's happening?
Just in from Jakarta.
Yeah, I just flew in right now, man. I heard your voice. I thought we must be in the right spot.
You're in the right spot.
This is awesome.
But that was a fun drive coming from Jakarta.
Oh yeah, no traffic at all. Yeah, sure. Oh my gosh. Look at this. All right, let's take a nice little look at the car here and then we'll bug the boys. I know they're busy working away.
No, I was talking about lengthwise within that.
This is cool. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. All right. Look at this, huh?
Same thing over here.
So you guys just putting together 1600?
Yeah.
Very cool.
We're a little grocery getter, you know?
Yeah, I like it.
That way a whole bunch. Here we go.
So you guys came all the way over here to build a motor?
Halfway around the world we traveled. We came by blimp, we came by helicopter, we came by jet plane, whatever
Awesome.
it took.
Yeah. I like it. So now, do you ever regret knowing all that you do?
I'm retired, I know nothing now.
One by land, two by sea.
That's right.
I like it. Now this is awesome. This is when you know you guys know
That's what
something.
Rito calls, and we come. You know? The Terror Garage, how could you not?
I know, this is awesome, you guys. I can't believe we're actually meeting on this side of the globe.
No, it's a long ways.
Oh, look at this beast.
Yeah.
Very cool. Shin, you got the big guns there, huh?
I need to document everything.
All right, talk about pictures of Shin taking pictures. There you go, folks. Very cool. All right, so there you have it, you guys. Look at that. You guys putting something together here, huh? Mukai-san! All right. I like the tool bench here. Hey, Ron.
Yes, sir.
What is this over here? You guys have a vise? Is this a vise?
Yeah. Well, Gary and I have a few vices of our own. But when we got to Bandung, we kind of needed a milling machine, a press, a grinding station, and a fixture holder, and this little vise, in ways we don't want to admit to, did a lot of really nice things for it.
No
it's
kidding.
not like we learned something new. We did, but we're not speaking of it. We'll never do this
We
again.
improvise in ways you'll never understand.
That's
I like
right.
that. Isn't that the Volkswagen way, though? Improvise, right?
Yes.
The MacGyver way?
We both said that if we had to make like push rods or do some of the things we did here that way back home, we would have quit. We would have stopped doing it.
I like it.
And although there's a little difference in our ages, it's amazing how we think alike. And
We're ahead of the next step and thinking the same way on the next step.
That's right.
And
Really?
Yeah.
We're in unison, like unbelievable. Like we've been doing this for a long time together.
a long time.
And we're just in unison, and it's been really great working with Ron and making this happen.
It's been a real pleasure for me.
Yeah,
here
it's
working with
been pretty cool.
That's awesome, guys. I mean, the amount of knowledge that each one of you guys brings to the plate, it's just amazing. Now, I got to ask, though, is there a little takeaway, Ron, that you got from Gary that you thought, wow, I kind of never knew that, either about him or about Volkswagens?
I think there are little tiny secrets we both kind of discovered, but I'll tell you something else, as much as he is his own man and all that, there's remembrances of his father
Oh,
for
that's
me,
awesome.
and some of the things that he says, and that the way he does things, because I did work for Berg Enterprises in another galaxy far, far away, so a long time ago.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Yeah, no.
And we've been sharing some of those old stories between
Yeah.
us and everything, which has been really great.
That's so
And,
cool.
doing the build, it's been like, just like I say, we've been doing this together for a while,
Yeah.
you know, with the next person, and
Yeah.
very, very small similarities of no importance. That's
Yeah.
been really great.
It's a party.
That's cool. Well, very cool. Well, thanks, you guys.
You
I don't
bet.
want to take too much time away from you guys. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
Good luck,
Welcome.
man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All
Welcome
right.
here.
We'll catch you guys later. Thank
All right.
you.